It's been quite a ride since our inception back in 2019, primarily focused on creating service videos for technicians. Initially, these videos revolved around part replacement that we integrate into our flat rate chart. However, when the pandemic hit and our training department had to pivot, we saw an opportunity to offer more. In 2021, seizing that chance, we officially formed our virtual productions department. Since then, we've been on an incredible trajectory, churning out over 500 individual videos. You can catch them all on the Lippert YouTube channel or access them through our support site. Our mission: to pair each document with a corresponding video, ensuring accessibility and clarity for technicians and owners alike, regardless of their experience level. Our content scope has broadened significantly, extending beyond mere part replacement to encompass more intricate instructions. We collaborate closely with our tech writers, verifying document accuracy while supplementing them with additional insights when necessary. But that's not all. We've also rolled out over 30 webinars, accessible through our learning management system, LearnUpon. Each webinar is typically comprised of 4 sessions, each under 20 minutes, delving deep into various Lippert products and product lines, from assembly and part identification to operation, troubleshooting, and maintenance. These sessions mirror the comprehensive training you'd receive at one of our service schools. Now, I am thrilled to introduce Charlie and Emily, our esteemed technical instructors. They'll be your guides for the remainder of this tour, showcasing some of the most captivating aspects of what we have to offer. Charlie, Emily, over to you.
Thanks for the introduction, Nick, and I'm glad to take you along for this tour. Charlie, you want to get us started?
Heck yeah. Since our humble beginnings, we have expanded not only our footprint, but also our technical capabilities. Included in the studio is our interactive TV that helps deliver detailed information using a 3D model. This will help peel back the onion to reveal inner workings inside the product so you can see the parts.
All right, Charlie, I'll take things from here.
This helps with the full understanding of how the product works.
Not only do we have the interactive TV that helps enhance how we display information to you, but we have designed our entire studio to suit the needs of every filming project we produce. One of those things is our custom track on our wall that we have designed, and it allows us to change the set for every project. But that's just the beginning. We also have an innovative teleprompter system and a custom lighting and mounting system for our studio. Another piece of equipment that is most unseen is our cameras. Cameras we use to capture every angle when filming. In one corner of this room, we also have our voiceover booth. This is where we isolate and enhance the sounds of the videos you watch. But our vision and team has grown over the years, and we now have 2 studio rooms.
Let's take a look at Studio A and see how we work with our big work table. So what we're using here is a overhead camera on top of the work table that will allow us to see down inside the product and actually see the parts. For instance, I am in the middle of making the Titan webinar, and here I have the pump and motor and a manifold that allows us to see the fluid and how it flows through there. So I sawed it in half, and you can see down inside and see all the valves. And also we have a portable dolly that we can move around, and Chris is actually moving the camera to track while I'm filming. All of these tools and techniques add to the recording and presentation of our technical videos.
When our vision outgrows the space we have in each studio, we have to move out to this larger area, which is our work bay. This is where we will film on larger mock-ups or even on a full-size travel trailer. But this space is also shared with the technical trainers, where we will film in between our on-site classes. In this area, you will also find our larger videoing equipment, like this custom scaffolding that we use to obtain a higher angle, which will lift our camera and our team member to video things like replacing a roof vent. In this area, we also store our larger props that are not being used for the current filming project. But the space isn't just used for classes and filming. Out here you can also find one of our team members building any of our props, from our tables to the walls. Out here we build everything custom for our filming projects.
The unique training necessary to teach the inner workings of an RV to students prompts the need for interactive mock-ups. Let's take a look. Inside the Furrion RV, I have a completely autonomous AC and DC electrical mock-up that includes everything that a normal RV has, only in a box. So I have shore power, I have a 12-volt battery, and that powers the entire system. So this is completely autonomous, and I can teach everything inside the box instead of looking underneath the oven and that type of thing. And back here we have a really cool mock-up that has the anti-lock braking system that Emily built. It's a completely working mock-up that shows the brakes braking in different circumstances.
All right, Charlie, we have one last thing to cover. Let's go back to the studio.
All right, let's get after it.
Although the sets and equipment we have built together are very eye-catching, they just scratch the surface of what our team is made of. Virtual Productions Department is a small team of 4 people who accomplish amazing things, and if one person was missing, well, you wouldn't be seeing this right now. One person is Nick. He is the supervisor of our team and is often called the man behind the curtain. He helps with every puzzle piece when it comes to building the team, from shooting and editing to project management and even fabricating equipment.
Now, Chris is our team's producer and videographer, which includes amazing editing work, but also does the directing and filming for projects, animation, equipment fabrication, and helps with the set design.
Then of course, we have Charlie. He joined the team as a technical trainer with an electronics background. Charlie's face is well known, but he puts a lot of work in behind the scenes that is often not seen.
And then Emily brings the bulk of the practical experience with 10 years of unique manufacturing background. Her extensive OEM work has fostered a true end user understanding that translates into constructive skills utilized in the industry.
Charlie, I'd never think you had such a nice compliment about me.
Now they paid me.